Professor Cosmos. Hello everyone, it's me, Professor Cosmos. Today is another exciting day because we're gonna open this massive Lego City box. Now, this is actually Mission to Mars Lego one. I got it for my birthday. It comes with 2 characters, a giant spacecraft, the Curiosity rover, and if you don't know what the Curiosity rover is, it's the robot that went to Mars but suddenly lost contact because in the sandstorm. So this is 5+60226. If you really look really close down there, you can actually see something. And also, really surprisingly, it also says it on this side of the box. There's the Curiosity again. That's what it would actually look like if you were on Mars and you saw it. And we're going to open this box and get started. Silly box. I can't. It's ready. Always start the first one, which is number 1. And normally all Lego stuff, you always start off with the characters. Now let's look at, wow. Oh, the stickers, okay. So guys, we've organized them. This is 1, 2, 3. I almost went 1, 3, 2. Check that out. So guys, we've actually made it. Our Curiosity's done. What do you think? And it comes with a laser and solar panel. And it can move. And also, we've also built the helicopter. And the space hand. We've also made these. It's pretty cool. That's step 1 done. Now we're going to do book 2. Even bigger than number 1. Curiosity, get out of the way. So guys, we've all finished the Lego set. I'll tell you all of the characters and things that we made and explain how it will land. So first we've got this massive spacecraft. Look at the size of this thing. This is how it would land safely back on Earth. It's built like an airplane. It looks like a drone. It looks like a drone, doesn't it? Do you agree? See that red thing on the helicopter? Scan it. Scan it. This is like a mini helicopter. So here are the minifigures. This one's my favourite because you guys all know why, because the spaceship. This is the driver of the big spacecraft. Whee. So it has a claw, a laser, pew, 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 and a solar panel, and it has like the lights and wheels. Right here, I'll show you what is which. So that's the astronaut. That was the probe. This is the Curiosity. They look really different. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Yeah, so I'm Professor Cosmos. Please subscribe and I'll see you really soon. I'll do some more facts about Mars in the future. So take care. Bye.